How to make a playlist on YouTube. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Now you'll land to the home page. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once when you page, over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Navigate to the section of Playlist. Click on View All. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of Create New Playlist. Click on it. Now over here you will find recently watched videos. You can select any of the video to add in your playlist and click on Next. Now give a title to your playlist. Click on this drop down and you can set your playlist to the public, unlisted or private. Then click on Create. With that, you have just created your playlist. You can see that. If you want to add more video to the playlist, you can click on the playlist. Then from here you can easily add the videos. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily create a playlist on YouTube. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.